This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Alright, we're now in the e-Golf. Let's take a look at the result. You see that the ID3 Pure, the new version, was a lot faster than before. Actually, according to spec, it's supposed to be 8.2 seconds, but it was 7.4 seconds. Wow! So, and then the old version was still also faster than spec. Yeah, but okay, if you compare them, then you see that we have significantly faster. And then what I noticed was that the CO2 around 50 kilometers per hour is quite fast, and then the speed kind of tapers off a bit. So actually, if you look here, if you compare it to other cars that has similar CO2, let's say 0 to 50 time, right? 244. How far up here? Maybe Toyota BZ4X or I don't know, ID7 Pro, You see, a lot faster cars, 0 to 50. So that actually matters when you drive around city, right? So it's a city car. And then when it comes to noise, it was also quite surprising that, okay, we get here, 65 decibel average, right? Almost at the top here, very good. And then what about the old version? Did they actually improve the soundproofing? Because it was down here, a lot worse noise. 215, 55, 18, efficient grip. And then up here, okay, Bridgestone to Ransa, same dimension, but different tire. But I don't think these are that quiet tires. So there you guys have it. If you want the better ID3 Pure, the poor man's car, you need to get the new version because it seems to be better than the old in pretty much every aspect. Also, of course, range, more net capacity, and then way faster charging. And it's way faster in 1,000 kilometer challenge. So there you guys have it. The ID3 Pure, way better than this e-Golf. So that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.